Hello, guys. Uh, we have started trading only pure trading in the last week. Exactly, if we go, we have started on 23rd of December 2024. So let's see till now, like, let's see the trading records. So on Monday, we have started. So Monday loss, Tuesday loss, and 25th was Christmas, so it was public holiday. So markets are closed on that day. And Thursday was a little bit profit. I think we shouldn't consider that. And Friday, the closing day of the week, was a loss. So, what are the learnings from this week? Basically, we have almost followed all the rules, but didn't end up in profit anyway. Let's see. If we go, let's see what are the mistakes we have done. This was the 23rd day, 23rd, that is Monday. Let's mark it on the charts. So that was the 23rd, that's Monday. This was the day. Basically what happened, market opened gap up, went up, and it fell again. So at this price point, what we done is, in this candle we have shorted the put option, but eventually hit the stop loss. So this was a bullish engulfing pattern. Still we have lost one. Here we didn't break any rules, that is, it is a good bullish engulfing pattern for the entry price point, but still we didn't end up profitable on that day. And the second point where we tried to enter into the trade was this, after this bullish engulfing pattern, but unfortunately our order didn't get hit and we didn't enter the trade. So that's what happened. The second trade was a good one, but eventually we didn't entered, so that's okay. That was the first day. So we didn't break any rules of the trade, that is, first entry there should be some confirmation. So on the first day we didn't break any rule. So let's see on the second day what kind of trade we have taken. Let's go on the 24th. So that's it, guys. That's the video. See, the second day what happened is that that's on 24th of December. There was a bearish engulfing pattern. This one. After this, we have shorted a put option. No, we have shorted the call option. But as the volatility was rising and there was a big green candle after that, the stop loss was hit and we exited the trade. And that was the only trade we have taken on the Tuesday, that is 24th December 2024. So here also, the second day also, we lost money. We didn't, but we followed the rules and the plan. So we could have entered somewhere here or somewhere here, but we didn't. We didn't want to risk much on the second day of the journey. So that's what happened on the second day. Then see what happened on the third day. That's 26. I think this is a. Oh, that day was a lot of waiting. Took a lot of patience that day. See, right after this candle, we have shorted the call option. This is the call option 24,000 CE, and it is out of the money call option. So unfortunately that day it didn't hit the stop loss. It went right in our direction, but there was a lot of waiting. See, this was the interesting trade this week. Let's see, third candle, if you see, even though the index was falling a lot, the call option was not falling because it the call option has time for a 1 week, and the wicks was increasing. So the third candle, if you observe carefully, third candle didn't fall. See this one, and here this is the third candle. And if you see, this trade almost took like 1 hour 2 hour, but I ended up without any much profits. And that day was also a monthly expiry day. Maybe that's why there was a lot of volatility. But I can say that staying in a trade for that long time takes a lot of patience and energy. After that trade, I was exhausted. See, was forming a pattern, but here you can see that after this much fall, the market started consolidating at this range. But on the option side, the price was increasing because of the increasing volatility. But we chose not to exit the trade. We wanted to learn on that day as much as we could, because here the buyers and sellers are accumulating. This is like an accumulation stage, and eventually if it breaks out on either side of the trade, it would be profitable. If it hits the stop loss, poof, gone. Little bit stop loss, but it goes in the right direction, that is in downward movement in our direction, we would end up in a good profit that day. But it did move in our direction, but within a few minutes it moved back up. That's what happened that day, and we learned a lot on that day. So I think out of the all days in the last week, this Thursday was has gave a lot of learning for us. And it was also the easiest trade of all the trades we took the last week. Okay. Okay. How many candles you can see? So much of market consolidation that day. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. That's around 1 hour. See, I'm forwarding the video so that we can move quickly. If the volatility was going down, we would have ended up profit in at this point, because market was consolidating, and if the option also decays, we would have ended up with a quite a good profit. But due to the volatility, we were not in the profits. So from this we can understand how the option price gets affected by the volatility. And it is very important to understand this, because you are an option buyer or option seller, volatility plays a huge role in deciding the prices of the premiums of the options. So you should pay attention to the volatility, so that you can use it as a edge to trade. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 13 candles consolidation. And here you can see that this looks like a engulfing candle. But let's again review that in the bigger picture, because when you know uh, see the whole chart, like uh, before the before candles before this, then you can understand the direction of the market. See, there was a huge fall. So how can you decide it's a bullish, even though if it is a uh, bullish engulfing pattern? And there is another problem, that is that the candlesticks that are forming in the charts of Kotak Securities was look like inaccurate, because here it looks like a bullish engulfing pattern, and when you see the same candle in the trading view platform, it doesn't look like a bullish engulfing pattern. It's closes below somewhere this at this point. So even the charts, the platform you use for watching the charts, plays a huge role while trading. So that's also the point you can note down. It could be helpful. So on one side I was watching the market and the prices of the options, how it's affecting the option prices. And on the other side, on the other tab, I was watching India weeks, that is the volatility index. So both so that I can learn. So let's forward a little bit. See see volatility was keep on going up. That's why here also the option prices were increasing. And now see, this was the like a dopamine hit within a few seconds, that market falls in your direction, and you see a lot of profit in your M2M, money to money. But it all goes within 2 or 3 minutes, because uh it's can say there is some booking on that day, or could be also manipulation. See, this was wow. This felt like, whoa, yeah, this is what I need. After all the patience, after all these candles waiting time, at last I got something. See how the profit is increasing from like 300 rupees you are putting as a stop loss, and it suddenly increases to like 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6, 1 is to 7. That's incredible. It feels incredible. But if you see from this point, there were so many buyers. The market started just like coming back. See how the market record big bearish candle, and suddenly you see that poof, it's gone. Everything is gone. But eventually, market didn't even go up that much. It ended up at the same point and sideways. See, it's all gone. But I was patient. Uh, I didn't what we say panic and didn't exit the trade. I wanted to be as patient as possible, and I did watch it, waited, and I didn't exit the trade, and I wanted to see whether it goes down. So because eventually there are two things: either you wanted to book the price risk to reward ratio, or else you can wait and learn, because we shorted only one lot, and if we exit, we are totally out of the trade. So this, I thought this could be a learning day, and we did learn something out of it. And from here on, it was all sideways market, little bit profit loss, but eventually we exited at no profit no loss. See, market did come back. It gave like a second opportunity. I could have exited. This is the mistake I did, that it gave me the second opportunity to exit at least 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. I didn't, because there was a resistance on the top side and support on the bottom side. If it breaks either way, I will lose a small stop loss. But if I win, I win big. That's what I was waiting for. But the market didn't move. Eventually, it ended sideways. Okay. Let me forward this. That's it. I ended up exiting the trade, and it's done for the day. See, that's it. That was the day. That was on Thursday, and the last day of the week was where we lost. See, this was the day we have watched the video of. I could have shorted somewhere here and booked the profit, but I didn't. I did only after the confirmation at this point, that is uh, resistance level. And see, here I shorted. I waited. This could be a profit booking, but I waited, and this is the point where I exited the trade. Yeah, even if it was not a profitable one, but there was quite a lot of learning in the trade. See, this is a range bound market with a big spike in the downward side. That was that, and this was a yesterday's market, not yesterday, day before yesterday. That's Friday. The market opened again, gap up, and this is a resistance. But what happened is that this point was hit thrice, once, twice, and thrice, and market ended up coming at this point again. That means the bears have fallen. So I didn't, what we say, didn't enter into a short trade, and I was waiting so that I can enter a long trade. So that's what I did on the Friday. So market ended up closing above the resistance point, and I was waiting for retracement. So here it didn't look more attractive to me at this price point, so I was waiting. So after this pattern, that is this bullish engulfing, it looked like a variation of a morning star pattern, but I ended up entering a trade at this candle. Again it hit the stop loss, and the second point, that is this looked like a perfect engulfing pattern and at a perfect price point, which was a resistance before and now it became a support point. So I think it was very attractive to me, so I entered trade somewhere in this candle. I ended up waiting for a long till it hit stop loss at this candle, and I exited the trade. So I on Friday I took like two trades. First one is after this pattern variation of morning star, and the second one is a bullish engulfing pattern. So two trades I ended up losing, and after that I stopped the trading for the day. There were multiple entry opportunities like here, this is the one, but market was again sideways in the second half of the time. That's it. That's the last weekend of trading and my analysis. Mm, these are the learnings we have taken from the last week. Let's see what are the points where we can improve ourselves. Let's see. Let's see. Let's, as I have shown you here, somewhere I have entered the trade. That's terrible, man. The quality of the video is not so good. This was the first trade and this is the second trade. So see, even though it went below this point, as the volatility was working in our direction, because volatility was falling and we are shorting the options here, so the premiums were decaying. Even the market is falling down, we didn't hit the stop loss after the second entry for this bullish engulfing pattern. See, till now, even though it's lost, we didn't hit the stop loss. That's the plus point of shorting the options. That is, whenever volatility is going down, you end up making profit, or you end up at least being safe in the trade. And see here, that see, after all that we hit the stop loss and we are done for the day. That's what happened. This is the weekend 1 week trading analysis. I hope that you've learned something from my learning lessons, and we will post many other interesting uh, thought-provoking videos in the future as well. So if you like this initiative, I would like to request you to like and subscribe to my channel. If possible, you can share these videos to any new beginners, so that even they can learn from this channel. Thank you. That would be the end of this video.